Hi, my name is Alexis, and we chose Mayflower to remodel our fireplace. The former fireplace was enormous. It took up most of the wall. It had a really deep hearth that was kind of dangerous. We have a small child who soon will be running around, and we didn't want her to be cutting herself on sharp bricks. And we just decided that it was time to replace it with something a lot more appealing to the eye. I researched a bunch of different construction groups in the area, and I looked on Nextdoor and Houzz and Yelp and Google, and all of the reviews that I found for Mayflower, the ones that I saw, people were very satisfied. I checked out the pictures, it looked great, so I decided to contact them and see what happened. The design and quoting process was very easy. Mayflower made it simple. They were very clear about the steps and what was going to be included. They asked me for my contributions to the design if I felt like I was involved. It wasn't just somebody else's idea and then putting it in there. I really like that it's set into the wall, that there's no sharp edges for anybody to have to worry about like running into or hurting themselves. I also like that I like the cabinets also on the side to get more storage, and I like the lights that go there. I wasn't sure that they were going to be, I forgot that they were getting put in, but I like them in the end. Yeah, I think overall it all looks great. Our overall construction experience was really wonderful. Like, it was very smooth. Based on the conversations I'd had previously with the other people at Mayflower, I trusted that they were like getting things together, and so they told me when there would be a pause. They explained to me what was happening all the time, so I felt very comfortable. I think it exceeds our expectations because we were just looking at pieces of paper, and all the things that we had before was like a very dark, heavy brick taking up most of the wall. So now that we have something like light and fresh and more seamless to go with the room, everything feels better in here. I would definitely recommend Mayflower. They're a great company to work with. All of the people that we met and interacted with, whether it was email or on the phone, they were all wonderful, and they were all informative and efficient, professional, and really great people.